What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto Johnny. I just wanted to hop on here and I did a little TA over here just to drew up a quick chart. Nothing really crazy. Not saying buy, not saying sell. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take any of this advice and go buy Litecoin or sell Litecoin or anything like that. It's just kind of like an idea of where we're at. So right now we're currently sitting around Litecoin should be sitting around $43 right now. It's a little higher than where I was when I where this was when I charted it. However, so we're sitting right around right here right now. So, so the black line represents. All right. So the black line represents where we broke past, which was a previous resistance level here, and as you can see, it tapped over here as well, just about. My line could actually be a little lower, but this is what just happened and hours ago, maybe 13, 14 hours ago. So we had broke past, and now currently we're sitting at roughly about $43.15. So could we potentially fall back down? Absolutely, we could fall back down. I mean, the market is unpredictable. However, we should be able to get into this zone. We should be able to get there soon, but I mean, whenever you see a run like this, it's usually something's usually going on. So I know Litecoin I know they are trying to do transactions that are more private. There's a lot of cryptocurrency news going on. I haven't been on the channel lately to report any of it, but I will be back. Life has just been a little busy, but I figured I'd hop on here and just throw a couple just very easy, simple stuff. So what these two red lines represent are your support right here. It's your next support. So say if Litecoin was trading up around like $51, $52, this red line would be your support, and this would be your resistance, roughly. I mean, I just went off of these 2 points. This one didn't really touch down that low. Could actually be right in here as well. So anywhere between $50 and roughly like $56. Basically, we need to break $56 in order to actually take another look at it. We actually need to break $49.85 before we go anywhere else. So, well, number one, we need to stay where we're at. So we can maintain this $43 zone, 44. The next, I would say, the next area we need to break would be around. I would say around right around here, $46, because you have all of this right here. So I would say roughly around like $46. If we can break past $46 and hold above 46, 46.78, like right around these areas, I would say we could stay right in this area for a little bit. I mean, I would say we were good as long as we could break past here and just kind of use that as a support as opposed to a resistance. So if we could stay right above it, I think we're in good waters. Then obviously the next area would be right around here to break 55, 65. So it is exciting to see what's going on in the cryptoverse, I guess, if you want to call it. Litecoin doing well, sitting at around $43.20. It's doing very well. So let's see what happens. And Bitcoin as well is sitting around 36.35. So that went up as well. That went up about $200 in the past 24 hours. Litecoin's total dollar amount in US dollars that it went up was $10.30. So that's pretty huge. It's a lot of money to go up for something really fast like that. We all know Bitcoin, how volatile Bitcoin is. I mean, $200 for now and the times we're in now, that's huge as well. I would say, what was it, 2017? I mean, $4,000 would have been like, you know, but right now, $203, we'll take it. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here. So the next, I would say, what we're looking to break right now is roughly right around here. So right around $47, we're looking to break. If we can break that and stay above it, and maybe as long as we're in this channel, I would say we're good. Um, and then maybe it'll take a while to break out of here. But like you said, the cryptocurrency world is very volatile and it's very unpredictable. So three pieces of advice I could give you is, number one, don't buy when the price jumps way up. You want to make sure you're buying when it's low, when it's dropping. Don't be one of those people who you see a spike, say you missed out. Like, I know a lot of people are gonna say, "Oh, I missed out on this one," or you can't afford it. If you can't afford it, there's nothing wrong with that. It's an investment, or a lot of people do use it as currency and buy other things, which is what it's essentially what we want. That's a good thing. But then you have a lot of people who just hold or hodl, and what they'll do is they'll see a price increase and then they get nervous. Oh, is it going to drop back down? And they'll buy, 10 of them or whatever. And then like the next day it drops back down. So I would basically just, use your best judgment, and don't let your emotions get in it, because that's what happens a lot. People let their emotions get in there, and, I mean, what, 3 weeks ago? Can't quote me on, don't quote me on this, but like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, what was it? It was down to, I got the chart right here. Um, mm, Say the end of December it was $27. I mean, what is this, Kraken? I'm not really a fan of Kraken, but so I mean, it sat at $29 for how long? I mean, when you see something sitting like that, yes, it could have went either way. It just happened that it jumped up, and now it should be back on the way up. Now we should, hopefully, as long as we can hold this, we should be in more of an uptrend with Litecoin. So that's exciting news. Um, Hope it was of some help. Been a long time since I've made any type of chart, so that's why I went very basic and tried to just draw out the support and resistance lines, without drawing any real trend lines or anything else, and really charting it out. It's been a long time, so it's been about like a year and a half. So, like I said, it's not investment advice. This was just kind of an idea to, show you the charts. I didn't mark it up like crazy. So if you want to take a look at it yourself and, you know, screenshot this, do what you want to do with it. But if you be my guest, go for it. Or you can just head over to my chart, which is tradingview.com/, u/forward/u/John Michael Crypto Johnny. And you'll be able to pull any of the charts up that you want on there. And if you have any comments, suggestions, requests, just give me a shout in the comments, and I'll do what I can. Like I said, I'll be practicing charting again, but I'm not going to post literally everything, because I know a lot of people like to criticize, and that's fine. Criticism is good, but I don't want to put any false information out there. So, like I said, I will be doing basic little things like this, or even just pulling this up to give everybody kind of an idea what's going on. But yeah, any comments, concerns, suggestions, criticism, anything you want to leave in the comments, go right ahead. And I hope you have a great day. And Litecoin just jumped up 2 more cents. Go Litecoin. Have a good day. Bye.